Hey there everybody, Aaron Rath here with Rad's Tesla, out today at the Adams Polishes Cars and Coffee in Lafayette. Lots of cars out here. If you haven't been here, if you live in Colorado, this is a wonderful place. It's just getting started. As we go throughout the day, I will show you some of the beautiful cars that are out here, but we do have an EV section sitting over here. There's a Slowpoke and a couple other cars as well, a couple other Teslas. Right now we do have an EV6 out here, but if you live in Colorado and you don't come out here and you have an EV, bring your EV out here. This is a great place to come and show people what having an electric vehicle is all about. But we'll have more, so make sure you stick around. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, drop a comment down below, hit the bell, do all the fun stuff. That way you make sure that you get notifications of any future videos. But enjoy this car show. Special thanks to our sponsor for today's video, Hansshow, as they have their cool summer crazy sale with 20% off at checkout using the code RATSTESLA. You can get anything from their Eagle Eye style taillights, the dashboard touchscreen, Model 3Y soft closed doors, or get that Yoke steering wheel that you've been looking to get for so long. Now's the perfect time to do it. The link to Hansshow will be in the description down below, and make sure you use the code RATSTESLA at checkout for 20% off during the cool summer crazy sale, but it will also get you a discount outside of summer if you're watching this video later in the year. Special thanks to Hansshow for sponsoring today's video.
Yes, see you again.
Beautiful 2017 Tesla Model S out here. I love the cream seats. This is 75D 2017 in really clean shape.
Right, you see that
All right, here we have a 2022 Tesla Model 3 Performance. Just picked it up 3 Saturdays ago. Beautiful black interior. Beautiful, beautiful white, got it nice and clean. We just hooked the young man up and got some waterless wash on this bad boy. Oh, I love it. Absolutely love it.
Just checking it out, getting up close and personal to one was a real game changer for me. And at the time, I had a
generator in the back of the car,
Ford Focus,
and he needed gas for the generator.
modified.
Oh wow! I said, hey, you know.
So we've got 4 Teslas out here. We've got 2 3s,
Exactly.
a Y, and an S. And we have a Kia EV6 over here in the corner that we're going to try and get moved over by us. See if we can check the exterior of this thing out. Has a beautiful, I love the gray color. We got all kinds of cars rolling in here. Another Model 3 with white interior. And donuts. See, if you come out here and you come check us out at the EVs, we'll give you donuts. Come out here, Lafayette. We're at the Flatirons Church.
Have you heard of the Denver Electric Vehicle Council?
I haven't.
So
That's all right. All right, a 2022?
Yeah.
2022 Kia EV6. Beautiful gray color. Let's check out the door handle. Just push. Check out this interior, the double screens. Still got push buttons on the steering wheel as well. I like the pass through there. Solid doors. I like the hubcaps, 235 55 19s on here. It's got plenty of room. You can see he's got a couple car seats in here, so it's got plenty of room for car seats.
You just feel it as I'm like laying in bed.
And I'm guessing since he has kids that it's big enough to throw a stroller in the back.
It does fit. It does fit.
Stroller fits just fine.
It's got a little frunk in the front too.
Well, it's got a frunk and it's got a sub trunk right here. Very small one. Let's check out the frunk. I like the way they latch it on the side there and make the
it's
hole.
not as big as any of the other guys, but
It's a little.
I've got the Volvo and it's slightly smaller than that.
and then it comes with this bad boy. It's a vehicle to load, right? So you
Yeah.
plug it into the port.
Yeah.
Pretty nice.
Have you charged anything with it?
No, I did my powered the power washer while I washed it. just for
Nice.
fun.
Just because you could?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can take power out of your car with that.
Yeah. There's another outlet
Chevy,
in the cabin.
Chevy
the car's
Bolt
gotta be
EV.
on.
This
That
one's a brand new one
just run
too. This one's only like a year old.
Pretty sweet.
And we've got a couple Mustang Mach-E's. This one's got the beautiful black interior. I like the contouring on there. And he's just showing off now, loading up the front, loading up his cooler. We're tailgating out here at the car show. And just because we can, we've got a Fiat 500e. So this is also an electric vehicle. How much range does this one get?
100 in the summer.
100 in the summer.
Yeah.
80 in the winter.
80 in the winter. So it's got
Perfect
what,
city.
about a 40 kilowatt battery?
Yeah, yeah. It's a actually it's a 20. Actually, it's 28 kilowatt, I believe.
28, and this is full electric. No
Full
battery, no engine assist
no
at all.
gas, no engine assist. Nope. Zippy is all jet.
Okay, just because I'm a Tesla guy and I think in this, what's the 0 to 60 on this?
I think it's 6.1.
That's not bad. I love the dash, the white dash.
Yeah.
It's neat.
It is a fun car to drive.
Zippy,
it's a city
huh?
car, you know, like nothing beats me really off the line except the Tesla probably from 0 to 30. 0 to 60 is another story, but 0 to 30 around town,
It's a great car.
nothing beats me.
Yes. I like it.
It's up and down the Front Range, Denver, Boulder, Fort Collins, I go all the time with it, no problem.
Nice. And you charge at home with this one?
Charge at home, usually, yeah.
110, 220?
220. So, you know, I've
Not much
charged all
storage
over.
in the back.
Not much storage, but you know, it's a
Oh, nice. There's a charging port in the back.
charging port.
And the good thing is if this one runs out of battery, you can just load it in the back of a pickup.
Exactly.
And take it to the
I can
next
put it
charging
back of
station.
that thing and
That's
it'll
right.
just take me,
Yeah, I
yeah.
like it. It matches that Chevy.
Totally.
That's nice. This is a cool. I haven't seen a little Fiat E.
Yeah.
This is cool. You don't see many of these on the road.
There are not. No, they only sold them in California and I believe Washington for compliance reasons back in the day. And now you can get them in Europe, but they don't sell them here yet in the U.S.
What year is this?
2017.
2017.
All electric.
All electric. I love it. We've got the Mach-E. Is this the what model Mach-E is this one?
This is top of the line.
So the performance,
Yep.
but not the performance GT.
Well, I just use it normally, but
Come on, we know you stand on the throttle and get it going.
well,
See, you
Once in a
can't
while.
deny that.
once in a while I get in a traffic lane that I'm free to go. And
Yeah,
I beat out everybody else.
yeah, it's fun to. They're fun to stomp on the throttle on. That's for sure.
I think it's 3.7 seconds.
Yeah, 3.70 to 60. I'll race you in my Tesla.
Yeah.
How long did it take you to get used to the button and the handle?
2 seconds.
2 seconds?
I did too. I had my, you know, I like both, and I just told myself.
I like it. I like how Ford separated the top and created the black look with the glass in the top. I mean, it just sets it apart. And it kind of helps hide it so you get the clean swoosh of the white.
Well, my wife, who does not, never took an interest in cars, she saw this car as a demo, and she said, I like that car.
Nice.
I said, okay, I'll
All
get it
right,
for you.
let's get it. I like it.
So she lets me drive it.
She lets you drive it. That's good. That's good. Clean. Nice. 2021?
2021.
2021?
Anyway, they put one in Cherry Creek too, so it's like all these EV companies are.
I have heard of the
Because
model.
here's the thing, it's sort of like if you've got an electric car, you can drive it in your kitchen if you want to.
Got a 3 performance in red. We've got a 3 performance in white. We've got Slowpoke, of course. We've got the beautiful Model S. Nissan Leaf. Another Model 3. A couple Mustang Mach-E's. We got a Bolt and an EV6 over there. And then a brand new EV6 right here, black. Beautiful car. Like I said, so many cars out here. Slowpoke looking good. Oh, you're good.